One of the nice things about the Kerr electronic waxing equipment is that they all have the same readout window and the same control buttons. The Wet Waxer 2 and the Microdip 2 have basically the same features. So I'm going to use the Microdip 2 to show you how the programming operation works. First thing we need to do is turn the equipment on. Anytime I'm working with hot liquid wax, I want to stabilize the equipment while I'm programming. When the unit comes on, the display in the readout window will be flashing. That's asking me if I want the unit to operate at the temperature that's being displayed. Well, I've found that 180 is actually the temperature that I want to operate this unit at. So I'll need to go into the menu and find the temperature preset and change the temperature. And I'm going to do that by first selecting the preset by pressing the menu button and then selecting it and I see it's at 140, and now I can alter this temperature by pushing the up arrow up to increase the temperature. I'm going up to 180. And now I'm going to buy that temperature or select it by pressing the enter button. The unit is now heating and it displays the current temperature on its way up to my 180 setting. When it reaches 180, it will give me an audible beep. So while my unit is heating, I'm now going to load in my container of dipping wax. The Kerr Microdip has a very nice feature. It has an exchangeable dipping well. This allows me to use different colors of dipping wax simply by removing the well that's in the unit and exchanging it for the color I want to use. While the unit's heating, make sure you close the lid to keep the dipping wax heated uniformly. My Microdip 2 has reached temperature. Notice in the readout window that it's reached 180 degrees Fahrenheit. That was the temperature that I preset. The Kerr unit has a very unique feature. It allows me to set in either Fahrenheit or centigrade. So let me show you how easy that is. Use the menu button to see the options. Use the arrows to choose the option and enter. Use the arrows to change the option and use the enter button to set the option. That's a quick look at the menu-driven options for the Microdip 2 and the Wet Waxer 2. Be sure to refer to your instruction manual for a more detailed description of programming each piece of equipment. And be sure to check with the Kerr website frequently for any equipment updates. We'll take a look at programming the Ultra Waxer in greater detail in the demonstration sections of the video.